Okay, slope. Moving on to slope now, slope questions. Now, slope is defined as this, okay? Slope equals, and how we say it, and if you look in the book, is rise over run, okay? Now what it is, so think about this. The rise is up and down the y-axis. The run is left and right along the x-axis. So really, you're always looking at the numerator is always the y-coordinates, the denominator is always the x-coordinates, okay? So we're going up and down the y-axis, that's the number on the top, left and right along the x-axis, that's the number on the bottom, okay? When you see these slopes, so remember, rise, so I'm going to do it on this actually graph now. Let me erase some of this. No, I'll just do it straight away. Okay, the rise, I'm going to go up how many places between these 2 points, okay? So, on your graph paper, you have the squares. You've got, right, you go up. Let's just get rid of this. Actually, I don't like this anymore. No, sorry about the gap there. You're going to go up. Ready? A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Right, the rise is 4, okay? I went up 4 from that point, okay? Right, what is the run on this? Okay, let's just erase this again. Sorry about missing some of the x-axis there, okay? So, I went up 4, okay, sorry to there. I'm going along the run, I'm going 2, okay? So I went up 4 on 2, so again, I'm going to come down here, right here. Okay, there we go. So I went up 4 on 2, alright. The slope is 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. Just reduce it, what's 4 divided by 2? 2. That's the slope of this line, okay? The slope of this line is 2. Okay, I went up 4 and on 2. Okay, it is a positive slope as well. Remember, it's going uphill from left to right. It is a positive slope. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. Slope again, remember, rise over run, okay? Now this time, if I start here, this time I'm going to go down 2, look, oh, oops, a 1, a 2, that'll take me down to here, which is on the same level as this other point here, okay? So, I went down 2, that's the rise, but in a negative direction, so I could write this, I went down 2 this time. Now how far have I gone on the x-axis from here? Here we go, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? There you go, that is the slope, okay? It can be fractions, okay, but there you go. That's the rise over the run. I went down 2 this time and over 5. The slope is definitely negative, okay, if I do this, I'm going downhill from left to right, it's a negative slope, okay, a minus slope, negative, okay? Try and recognise this. If you go uphill from left to right, that's a positive slope, okay? So just try and remember that. So here we had a negative slope, it's negative 2/5, I went down 2 and over 5. Previous slide, might be a mess, okay? I went up 4 and on 2 between these 2 points, okay? So that will give me 4 over 2, which I can reduce to 2.